Hello pet parents! Today we're going to talk a little bit about kennel cough. Kennel cough is a common name for infectious bronchitis in dogs. It affects the respiratory system, causing a dog to cough. Kennel cough is normally not dangerous. However, it can sometimes lead to more serious complications such as pneumonia, especially in young puppies, elderly dogs, or dogs with existing illnesses. Here is what a dog with kennel cough can sound like. Other than coughing, some dogs will also have a runny nose, sneezing, and eye discharge. So how do we prevent kennel cough? Make sure your dog is vaccinated before letting them interact with other dogs. This will significantly reduce their risk of catching this disease. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. If you have any questions, please comment below.